Evaluating the efficacy of traditional Chinese medicine, Mirsaib AV, in the treatment of viral infections in animals, a case study on ASF, avian influenza, and canine diseases. By Jiangnan Feng, Zhenghua Ma, Hua W, Cheng Shengyi, Meng Gao, Dengbin Zhu, Minghai Ma, Rui Cheng, Xie Liu, Xui Feng, Xie Enfiu Li and Wahyu Yan. Background: for more than a century, numerous medical researchers have attempted to discover remedies for viral illnesses. Unfortunately, except for vaccination, no safe and efficient cure has been discovered. There is still no effective treatment for acute viral infections. Mirsaib AV Therapeutics, a prescription compound of various herbs, has been utilized at our clinic for many years in the treatment of viral infectious diseases and has shown therapeutic effects. In order to obtain clear evidence of efficacy, a series of experimental treatments with Mirsaib AV has been conducted on animals with lethal viral infectious diseases. Methods: the oral administration of Mirsaib AV has been used to treat several naturally infected viral infections with high morbidity and mortality in animals. The efficacy was measured by comparing mortality rates between treated and untreated animals. An analysis of variance was performed on each data set. The Tukekrama multiple comparisons test was utilized for comparisons of death between treatment groups. Statistics were performed with the Statistical Package for the Social Sciences (SPSS) version 24 for Windows. Results: the mortality was 28.57% versus 100% among treated and untreated naturally infected pigs with ASF. The mortality was 0% versus 100% for treated and untreated cases when treatment was administered in the early presymptomatic stage. The mortality was 39.04% versus 100% in treated and untreated naturally infected ducks with avian influenza, and 0.86% versus 99.83% for treated and untreated ducks when treatment is given in the early presymptomatic stage. For chickens, the mortality was 4.60% versus 85% for treated and untreated, respectively. All surviving ducks and chickens ultimately achieved complete recovery. For dogs with canine distemper and/or canine parvovirus, the mortality was 10.11% and 82.88% among the treated and untreated. For dogs infected with parvovirus only, the mortality was 0% for treated and 87.5% for untreated. Among dogs simultaneously infected with parvovirus and canine distemper, the mortality was 15.25% and 96.84% for treated and untreated, respectively. All surviving dogs fully recovered. Conclusions: the findings indicate that Mirsaib AV can save lives from several deadly viral infections and cure these viral infections. Mirsaib AV Therapeutics presents a new effective treatment opportunity for acute viral infections. Further research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms and confirm its effectiveness through well-designed clinical trials. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.